Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of Union Pacific number 1111, powered by our people locomotive. So, we finished the cab in part 1, so now we're going to do the main body in part 2. So, I need y'all to stay with me on this because this is going to get very confusing very fast. Little warning. So we're going to do this layer by layer. So first, grab one cyan terracotta, put it there. Then 2 light blue concrete, 2 cyan terracotta, then 3 yellow concrete, 1 cyan terracotta, 1 light blue concrete, 2 cyan terracotta, 2 black concrete, because I'm not as prepared as I need it to be. Just build up your vents, so it's going to be 2 like that, then a cyan terracotta, then your 2x2 vent, and then cyan terracotta, and then black. Alright, so you should have it looking like this. Just like that. Okay. Sorry, y'all, my camera's about to die, so I'm trying to make sure it's charging. Okay, there we go, charging now. So now we're going to work on layer 2. So we're going to go white concrete, black concrete, blue concrete, then back to white, then yellow, then light gray terracotta, then 2 yellow, then a white, then a yellow, white concrete, cyan terracotta, white concrete, light gray terracotta, and then gray terracotta, and black concrete. Alright. Now you're going to need to grab a block of gold for right here. Then 4 white concrete, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 light gray terracotta, so 1, 2. 2 white concrete, 2. 1 light gray terracotta. Then 3 white concrete. Then 1 light gray terracotta. Then another 3 white concrete. Then a color I don't have. I'll get white terracotta. Then white concrete. And then red concrete. Now next layer, white concrete, red concrete, birchwood slab, put a black concrete behind that, then a white concrete, then another block we don't have, prismarine bricks, 2, then 1 birch slab, put black behind it, black or white. As you can see, I have white on that unit. I'm using black on this one. It's whichever you want. Then white concrete. Then prismarine blue. I'm just gonna call them blue bricks because I don't like pronouncing the name. And then 8 white concrete. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 blue bricks. Alright. And then 1 black concrete at the end. Now we're gonna do the final layer. So 1 black concrete, then 2 blue bricks, then another 8 white concrete, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, no, make that 7. Now you're going to grab blue bricks stair and blue bricks slab. Sorry if I'm messing y'all up by saying blue bricks, it's just easier for me. Just place 1 stair, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slabs, and then another stair, then brick, just like that, and then white concrete and red concrete. Okay, you're just going to fill in this top with black until you get to right here, and then just do this over again, just like this, then 5 brick, and then a stair, just like that. And then just encase this all in black. Alright, so that is this side done. It should look like this. I'm going to leave it like this just for a moment so that y'all can make sure this is accurate to what your unit looks like. Alright, it does. That's good. Now we're going to move on to the next part of this locomotive, which is going to be this side. Now, this side you are going to need red concrete, white concrete, birchwood slab, white terracotta, smooth sandstone, yellow concrete, light gray concrete, light gray terracotta, light gray concrete, and gray terracotta for now. Cyan terracotta, what am I about? Alright. Okay. So, we've already got the one sandstone, so just place an extra one. Then I believe it's... yeah. Alright. Then 3 yellow, and then the rest is going to be cyan. Cyan terracotta until we get to the vents. Quickly just build your vents, just like this. 2 and 2. And then just to the end. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to work on layer 2. Alright, for this layer we're going to need a smooth quartz stair and a piston, just to let y'all know. So we're going to have white concrete, then we're going to have that slab along with that piston, that's going to be the brake wheel. Then we're going to have light gray concrete, is followed by cyan terracotta. So 2 light gray, cyan, and then a yellow concrete, by the way. Nope, other way around. Sorry, guys. So 1 light gray concrete, 2 cyan terracotta, and then 1 yellow concrete. Okay. Alright. Sorry, as y'all can tell, this is a very confusing unit. So 1 light gray, then 2 white, then blue concrete, then 2 white and a gray. 2 white and gray. And then right here. Okay. So it's going to be 2 yellow. And then 1 white terracotta. Let me make sure that is correct. No, it is not. Replace that white terracotta with a piece of sandstone. Smooth sandstone at that. Alright, so now place that white terracotta. Then on this side, it's going to be 2 more yellow. Then 2 white concrete. Then another white terracotta. Now you're going to grab a green concrete powder. Place that right there. Then 2 white concrete and then a light gray terracotta. Then 2 more concrete and then I believe another light gray terracotta. 3. So move that one along, push that right there. And then I believe it's 2. Nope, just 1. So 1 concrete, then 1 light gray terracotta, and then 3 white concrete, just like that. Sorry guys, this is a very confusing unit. So now grab prismarine blocks, white concrete, gray concrete, birch slab, and that's going to be it for this. Actually no. Light gray terracotta, red concrete, and white concrete. Alright, so we're going to start over here. Just bring this back, bring this along still. I believe we bring it to there. No, we do not. Alright. So just like that. Yep. Alright, I'm going to need yellow concrete as well. So place a light gray terracotta and then a concrete. Alright. Now grab prismarine brick stairs and slab. So we're going to do white, then prismarine stair, then 2 blocks of prismarine and 2 slabs. And then this is going to be a slab. Then another, complete the slabs and the stair. Just like that, okay? Let's get that out of the way. And then all of this is just going to be white right here. All that's white. And then that's just prismarine. And just build that up too. And then just bring this along to 7. Alright. Just to make this tutorial easier. And then 1 light gray terracotta. No. 1 gray concrete. Sorry guys. And then 2 prismarine blocks. Alright. So far we are doing good. So your unit should look like this. Just take a minute, make sure your unit looks like this. It looks like this? Well, that's good. We are going places, guys. Alright. So now, we're going to build the vents on the side. So, grab Prismarine stairs, Prismarine brick, and dark Prismarine stairs. Oh. Prismarine stairs, dark Prismarine stairs, and a Prismarine block. Then also grab bedrock, black carpet, iron trap door, a dark oak wooden slab, birch fence gate, and a birch sign. So, right here, just build this along, just like this. So build it 7 along, do it on this side as well. Okay, and now 3 Prismarine stairs, a dark Prismarine stair, and then another 3, so it should look like that. Do that on this side as well. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. So just like that. Alright, now we're going to come to the back, so place any type of block right there, and then place your trapdoor, not trapdoor, fence gate, break it, and then put your dark oak wooden slab above that. Alright, and then just place a sign either side if you want to do it, as I said before, Union Pacific 1111. That's all you would put on the sign, just like that. If you want to do that, that's your choice. I'm not going to stop you, I'm not going to force you. I'll tell you that much. Alright, so now come up to this black line, count 2, so 1, 2, break this block, replace it, count another 2, break it, another 2, break it, then skip 1 and break these 2. And now over these black, you're just going to have 3 iron trap doors, just like that, and then just completely coat this whole thing just in black carpet, just like this. Oops. I'm gonna just put a random block there because I don't have black on me at this time. So don't break that, or else you just put anything there. It doesn't matter. Okay. So now go right here. So count 2, and then count 2 on this side as well. So it should be the middle block. Just place a birch fence gate in there. As simple as that. And then you're just gonna cover up these 9 blocks right here in black carpet. Alright. That's the main unit done. Now all we gotta do is we gotta make the railing, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it, guys. One thing I forgot is these buttons. Put a button right there and a button right there. I'm not sure what they're meant for. They're just on the unit, I know that much. Let's place 2 birch fence, 2 birch, what you call them? 2 birch fences, just like that. And they're just gonna alternate, so iron. It's gonna be iron bars, by the way. So skip 1, place, skip 1, place, and then just keep on doing that until you get down to here, and then right there and there. Okay. Now just place string in all the ones that are empty, and now just bring it all the way along, just like that, and then just like that. Do that on this side as well. On this side it's going to be a bit different, so place one there, right there. Then place a line of birch fences going up to the top. And now just do up here quickly. Alright. And now we're just going to skip one again. Alright, I've done it wrong. So on this one you actually got to start right here. Start right there. Alright, there we go. Now we done it right. Alright, now if you want to get really into it, if you're using this on like a train or in a yard or something, then add these little end rods in there for your step lights. Just a little bit of realism, if that's a word, I don't know. It just makes the unit more realistic is what I'm trying to say. And that is it, guys. That is how you build Union Pacific 1111, the Powered by Our People unit. Hope all of you have enjoyed this tutorial, and hope that y'all can smash a like down on that like button. Smash a like on the like button, yeah, that makes sense. And if you have not already, go and subscribe to me. I make a lot of Minecraft tutorials like this, as I said. Next up will be either the Southern Pacific Heritage, which is right here, or the Katy Heritage. So be on the lookout for those. So yeah, guys, hope you all have enjoyed this video. This is HighBrickBro11 signing off. See you later, guys, and goodbye.